Another episode of shenanigans or bullshit on the Bald Eagle Diesel YouTube channel. We're in the 350 and I am going to use my Father's Day gift to clean this up. So Caitlin got me a bunch of detailing stuff for the inside of the truck because she didn't know what to get for the outside. Today we're going to detail the inside. So let's see how that goes. I do have the truck on because AC. There's little man. What you doing, dude? You watching? But anyways, love these towels. I actually have some right there. Then she got me some cleaning wipes. These are for hard surfaces. And then she got me these for the leather, obviously. No scrub wheel cleaner. Best. This is the fancy bottle. This is not normally what I normally run, but this is the best window cleaner. And then she got me this little fuzzy thing, which is really cool for like the dash. Well, that's what it says. And then obviously some black ice. And then she got me the cool bucket for washing cars. The point of this little layer thing is to let the dirt settle down, and that way when you put your sponge in, the sponge doesn't pick back the dirt, doesn't pick the dirt back up, and you get like clean water rinsing your sponge out, or your microfibre. Armor All cleaning wipes. Smells good. Oh wow, I got a few, I think. Yep, I got 2. So I think I'm just supposed to wipe things down. This is a dirty spot on the truck right here. Always getting dirty. I like to wipe my steering wheel. I'll probably go over that with the leather because that still has a leather steering wheel too. So this is the leather wipes. Allegedly it's supposed to seep into the leather, pull any dirt and stuff out, and restore it to look new. Which, not gonna lie, that does look good. And obviously it's dirty for my arm sitting on it. Supposed to condition it and stuff too. Now, you don't have a leather dash? I don't know if this is leather either, but I think it is, so. And let it dry.
Definitely better than this. Oh, you're killing a plant.
So this is the Black Magic No Scrub Wheel Cleaner. It says sprayed on a cool dry wheel. Smells like a car wash. And let it sit. I don't know. And you spray it off in 1 or 2 minutes with cool water. Oh. So yesterday I kind of got a little carried away with the interior detail. You see the dash is wiped down. It's not really shiny at all. Seats are nice and clean looking. Center console's not shiny, but it's clean. Everything's really slippery. Not a big fan of that, but I figured since I already washed the truck yesterday, but you can see, I don't know, can you see those? See those like water spots? This is the stuff I was talking about. The Mother's knockoff ceramic wax stuff. This is just temporary stuff. So just spray it on, get you a microfibre, wipe it off, and then I know it's not like as clean as it should be, whatever. I'm not expecting a lot from this now, but it does make it look shiny. So then you let it like sit or dry or whatever. I think you're supposed to spray it on the rag actually. I think that's what I did last time. Spray it on the rag, then wipe it on, then buff it off. Doesn't really do much for these wheels since they still have that brushed kind of look to it. Let's wipe that off. They look good though for factory wheels. But yeah, for the paint, like I said, I'm not impressed with this, but the truck does look good. You see that paint? Ooh wee. The mirrors get dirty super quick, and it should just wipe off those bugs, but they don't. I do have to clean the windows still, so we're gonna grab the window cleaner. See that? That's why I use the microfibers. Perfect. Actually, I take that back. There's a smudge right there. Done. Obviously, clean mirrors are nice.